Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I wanted to discuss how to unclog a shower drain. This one, if you got one that's going a bit slow, today I'm going to show you how to fix it up. This one has started going a bit slow, and I'm going to discuss a few different factors that you might come across.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Okay, so you got a slow going shower drain, it's clogged, and for most situations you'll be able to just pull the lid. But if not, there's a tool called a Zip It tool. It's a great tool for unclogging regular drains, but you can get in there. And there's some situations where you may see the lid siliconed on. And in that situation, if you do need you can use the Zip It tool to get straight through the deal. And if you couldn't get it that way and you needed to pull the cover off, you may want to slice through with a utility knife around only the top portion here. Got my nail going under here. You don't want to cut under the drain, just under the cover. And then you can re-silicone it on after you're done. But this one, the cover comes right off. And so what we can do is just pull it up with anything. I got my pair of pliers here. Just going to pull the cover off, and usually that'll pull your clogged deal right up, right there.
Again, you could use the Zip It tool
Better
if it
idea to
wasn't
wear gloves,
accessible right there.
but I'm just going to quickly wash my hands afterwards, and we're going to pull this right out of here and unclog our drain. Now, another way is to use a force cut plunger. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's gross. Is to use a force cut plunger and get down there. Again, better idea to wear gloves. And oh man, this thing stinks. Ugh, nasty. It's a good idea also to prep your toilet, lift your lid before you do this, and that way you can throw it right in the toilet and flush it away. Alright, it's going down now. Now I can pull the shower, get the last little bit of funk. Even the toilet struggled with that one. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and rinse this down. Now it's been building up some stuff because it's been clogged. That's it, we'll clean all this out. Wash it on down. Again, better to wear gloves. But for this deal, it just seats back on. That's all there is to it. No big deal. Just got these little teeth here that insert and press back into place. I just wind it up how I like it, and it's a done deal. Alright. And that's how to unclog your shower drain. Again, if you needed to use a utility knife, you'd have to slice through under the cover there. What you don't want to do is slice through the outer portion where the putty is or the silicone is that's holding it into place. If you had to cut it, you'd want to cut it just underneath the metal rim. Pressed into place, we're good to go. All set there.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
Walking through this world, I could feel the pressure, but I could take